Yo, Pops, what's up, buddy? What are we doing? We're breaking records, man. That's right. Breaking records. All right, guys, Mustang King in the house. We're up here at Palm Beach International Raceway with Palm Beach Dyno and a few other people. Behind me is a Lethal Performance 2021 F150 with the all-new Gen 5 3-liter supercharger kit on it. Now listen, this is the first time we've been out to the track with it since it was stock. I made a few stock baseline runs with the truck and went like 1440s consecutively. So today, we're gonna give it a couple runs, see how it does. The truck is making a lot more power than it did before. We were making about 610 wheel horsepower, 517 foot-pounds of torque last time it was on the dyno. We are running 93 octane in here. We've got the factory wheels and tires on it. The only other modifications to the truck besides the Whipple Supercharger kit is the VASFAB lowering kit. It's a 3.5 lowering kit with Viking performance shocks and struts on it. So we're gonna make a couple passes, see how it does. Let's do it. I forgot to mention that it's really, really hot out. It's like, God, something like 95 degrees today. It's still really humid out today and hot right now. I'm so excited I had to wear an extra small shirt to contain the excitement. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. Oh yeah, Pops! Woo! 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 1191, boy! That's right! The quickest and fastest in the country! Woo! World record? World record, baby. World record. World record, baby! Lethal Performance, Whipple Superchargers. That's what's up, guys. I just ran an 1191 at 116 miles an hour. Stock wheels and tires, guys. I cut a 180 60 foot. This truck is moving. Whipple Superchargers did a phenomenal job. This is their complete kit, guys, just how you order it from us. Complete kit with their tuning and really just a little bit of suspension mods from VASFAB. I'm really excited, guys. I mean, I'm about to bust out of this super extra small shirt right now. Here we go, guys. We make the third pass of the day. First one was like 1220. Did 1191 at 117. I'm gonna launch it a little bit harder, see if we could beat that 1191, all right? Bit of chirp. I launched it harder this time, spun a little bit in 4-wheel drive, but we'll see how that pass came out. Still cut a 181 60 foot, which ain't bad. Curious to see how that run came out. In the past with some cars that I've driven before, a little bit of wheel spin ain't bad as long as it keeps on going, but it did hop a little bit, so.
What's on your hand?
This is Michelob Ultra. While I love beer, it's also 95 calories. I'm watching my figure.
Okay.
High pressure fuel pump.
Round as a figure. Let's go.
It is today.
Pablo, you took my helmet and didn't bring it back, Pablo. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yo, let's do this. Let's do it, man. Come on.
Let's go.
One last pass. Let's do it. good. That felt good. That's my best 60 foot all day. Come on. Hopefully it did its thing up top. I think my best 60 foot was a 180 when I made the 1191 run, and that was a 176. So we'll ride back towards the tower, grab the time slip, and see how it goes. And we actually may have to cut another outro because I cut it with the 1191. But man, I'll tell you what, this truck is impressive. This truck is quick and fun to drive. 100% stock exhaust on here, stock wheels and tires, just a Vaz-Fab 3.5 street lowering kit with some Viking coilovers on it, and that complete Whipple Supercharger kit with their 50 state legal tuning. Unbelievable, man. Seriously, hats off to Dustin Whipple and the Whipple Superchargers team, doing a phenomenal job. These guys are at the top of the game, best in the business, without a doubt, hands down. And Dustin's been a very good friend of mine for many years. I love him. He's like a brother to me. And I'm just glad to be part of the team. So I guess we got to cut another outro. No, really?
I mean, 11.8.
Yeah, boy! World record! World record! Woo! World record, baby! World record! Unreal. Unreal. Really, guys, Whipple Superchargers has it down. They are the only ones right now that can tune this truck. They're the only ones that have a supercharger kit out for it. So if you guys want to make your F-150 fast 2021, give us a shout. We'll take great care of you. 561-753-8105, guys. Please drop a comment. Make sure to subscribe. I love you guys. Mustang King, and I'm out. Woo-hoo-hoo! We've got the Lethal Performance 2021 F-150 with the all-new Gen 5 3-liter supercarger kit. Francis, yo, that's bad karma on your part, bro. It's all good.